I'm working on a 2006 Chevy Tahoe and with the big motor, but that doesn't matter. The heater hose connector in the dash, I need to replace this because mine is leaking. Cuts right through it like butter. Okay, once I cut this off, I was able to rotate this into position so I could cut one side of the housing so it wouldn't need to release that tab. And then I rotated it around and cut the other side so there was nothing holding it on, nothing retaining. The tab wasn't retaining anymore, and then I was able to pull it right off. So you can see I cut it on that side and then I rotated it so I could cut it on that side, and it had nothing to hold anymore, and I was finally able to pop it off. So there we go. Cut it off. So once I cut off the auxiliary hose connector off of there, I was able to rotate it into position so I could cut off the ring that retains it, and then cut it off the other side, so there was nothing keeping this thing from sliding off the retaining clip. So once I got this off, then the retaining clip itself, yeah, I kind of butchered that it was brittle, and I broke it off, and then this finally slid right off. So I just need to take this one out, clean up the pipe, slide it onto where that one was, and I should be good. I still need to get the other half off of the auxiliary line, and I will use a slip fit on this one since the original one broke right off. There we go. Parts are still pretty brittle, so then I can rotate it around in position and cut the other side. Couldn't have done that if I hadn't amputated the darn thing. So once I get these off, it should pop off a whole lot easier. Okay, stay tuned. There we go. See, this comes right off. I cleaned up the pipe pretty well, and you just slip it on, and hopefully this goes well. Okay, got it all put back together. Let's see how well this works. Load it up with some antifreeze, check for leaks. Let's see if we're slipping it on with a hose clamp. Shortened this hose just a little bit, but not enough to worry about. I think we're still good. I did bend this bracket to give a little relief, but other than that, I think we're good to go. Not one of GM's better ideas.